Alright, so as you can see, we're getting a pretty big mound of chicken here. We might not actually have to add any more. That's the good thing about this, is that I actually do have some leftover, just kind of like lightly skilleted chicken that I did, just kind of seared, just for our dinner the other night. And if I feel like I need more chicken, it doesn't all have to be boiled. It's all going to go into the soup and boil together anyway. So if I need more, I'll just cut some of that up and use that. It is all okay. Okay, almost there, guys. Hope everybody's having a beautiful December thus far. I know we just started it. Coming to the end of the year, everybody. About to hit a whole new decade. 2020. My God. That is wild. I graduated high school in 2010, so it's extra crazy for me. Got a couple chunks. Got a couple strips. Got a bunch of little shreds. That is one thing that I didn't really say, and I even kind of messed up my own rule that I'm about to say right now, but there are a few of these that I think I probably shredded a little too thin. I'm afraid that they might cook up in there, but the thing is that since all of this is cooked already, we don't have to, we're not going to be cooking it in there really long enough. Sorry, this is me sort of talking aloud to myself right now, too. But we don't have to, we don't really, I don't think there is going to be any danger of it cooking away, because it's only going to be in there just to incorporate. Now, some people really like to get rid of all the fat and like try to not have any of it. Like this is just kind of some fatty pieces right here. I'm going to go ahead and leave it in. I'm using boneless and skinless chicken breasts, very low fat in those. So I think if I get a little bits and pieces of it here and there, that's just going to add a little bit more texture, a little bit more flavor. Now, if I was using chicken thighs, that would maybe be a different story. Okay, on our last little piece here, let's just make sure, go through here, make sure there's nothing too large. I think, oh, no, there's a big piece right there. Almost missed it. Ooh. Okay. All right. So I'm just going to kind of go through here and make sure everything looks pretty good. If there's anything extra big, I might give it a little shred with my fingers. Maybe like that. Yeah, I think that that should be pretty good right there. Let me give my hands a little wash. Okay, so let's go ahead and make sure that I have a good amount of chicken right here, enough chicken.